Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Triple H Farm, NC. We are going to do a quick farm tour. If you follow me on Facebook, then you'll be able to look and see how much the babies have grown. If you don't, you get to see the babies, so that's cool. So here we go. So the first up is Jewel, and she is a New Zealand rabbit, and all the rabbits we have on the farm are New Zealand's. So we have Jewel and her little babies. There they are. There's one over here. Aren't they cute? They are about 2 weeks old. They like to hide behind here. Makes them feel safe. Hi there. So they are 2 weeks old. The nest box will be taken away in about a week. About 3 weeks. But this is Jewel. That's Mama. Oops. So there we go. Then while I'm over here, we're going to show you the garden. This is our garden area. We have 4 raised beds, and right now this is the only one that has anything in it. It is squash. Not squash, sorry. It is kale, spinach, lettuce, and onions. That's what's in this one. And then we have some Humphrey or something over here in this little one over there, but we're fixing to transplant that. We tilled everything up. You see the ground looks nice and fluffy. And then our ground bed over there is nice and tilled up because we will be planting hopefully today and tomorrow. Oh, ow. This is my planting table. I'm going to be using that a bunch today. We're going to be planting some stuff. There's some thyme. That's new to our garden from last year. Right here is a chicken tractor. We use it to have grow outs. So right now in here we have some Americanas and some Rhode Island Reds. I'm sorry, my brain's not working very well today. So they're all nice and cluttered together, nice taking a nap. Okay. Over here we have the quail. Now these quail are let me get over here so I can show you. Oh, there they are. So these quail are jumbo quail. So they're larger than your average quail. They're about 4 to 5 weeks old. Well, maybe 3 to 4 weeks old. So they'll be laying in another 2 to 3 weeks. Little tiny eggs. I'm so excited. I have this was made special for us at Winola Ranch, and there's 3 sections. You buy the sections separately, and they were kind enough to actually put them together for us, or make them where I can put them together, so we could stack them. We wanted stackable ones. And then each cage has this little metal bar here, and there's actually a piece that connects, and it goes all the way across to make 3 separate cages, so I can have 1 male with about 3 to 4 females. Probably 3 females, depending on how many we have. And so I get 3, 6, 9, so there's 9 cages for my quail. And then it has a little watering system here. Cute little bucket, and the water comes in there and goes in there. So we've got the quail. Alright, this building here is was a chicken coop. It is half a chicken coop now. My husband built this for me, but because we only have 2 chickens now, we actually cut it in half and we use the front half as storage for chicken feed and hay and such, and then the back half is for the chickens. This is a nest box, or an egg box, whatever you want to call it. I've heard it both ways. And this is where they lay their eggs. Oh, I got a hen in there right now. I'm going to lay some eggs. I'll leave her alone. But we built this fence here, this little area here for the chickens the other day. We built it so they'd have a nice little run so they wouldn't be stuck in the pen all day. Or stuck in the thing. And that looks like Winona, but it could be Francesca. I gotta get closer. I gotta look at their back. But, yep, this is it. It looks all funky because we weeded and we threw all the weeds in here. They love it and all the bugs that come with it. So this is one of our hutches. It is attached down here so the chickens actually come in and spread out the manure. This is Sugar. Sugar has 3 babies. And here, there they are. They're probably like, what are you messing with me? You already been here once. So there they are. These guys are about 6 weeks old. I'm actually about to take them out of here and away from Mama here in the next week. Same thing with this one here. I'm not going to open this cage because it's really hard and it's hard to hold the camera and open the cage or shut the cage with you guys in here. So this one, Belle, had 11 babies and unfortunately all of them passed except this one, and this one happens to be the runt. But she's a cutie. But she's also going to be taken away from Mama next week because she'll be 6 weeks old and we're weaning her. Oh, the babies are out. Aww. So I have not seen these babies out at all. And look at them. They are out and about. How cute. I've been waiting for them to get out of their nest box. They're so cute. Aww. So they're actually going to start learning to eat and stuff out of the feeder, and also going to eat hay and sticks and things, the apple sticks that we put in here for them. I am so excited. I'm glad they're not running away. Usually when I come up, they all run. Well, the one that's out. I haven't seen all of them out yet. But this is Coco. She's a great mom. She's an absolutely fantastic mother. She's definitely a keeper. Oh, look, I found the water. It's getting some water. Look at you. You're so smart. You're so smart, little one. Alright, so this is Coco. We met Belle and Sugar. Let's come this way and meet the future breeders. So my husband built me this one. I love this one way more than I like the other one. I like the other one, but I love this one. It's more open, more breezy. It's not as messy or dirty as the other one is. So these are my New Zealands. Like I said, every rabbit we have on our farm is New Zealand. These ones are pedigree. So is Jewel. Which just means they have a history of, there's no mixed breeds in them for a very long time. So they're called pedigree. They're not mixed with anything else at all. So, there's these girls here. They are about 3 months old, about 12 weeks, so we will be separating them into their own pen soon. Probably in the next week or 2. I got to come up with some names. I've got 3 names, so one of them's not named. So if you have a name, put it in the comments. That'd be fantastic. I would love to hear different new names, because I can't seem to come up with a good name. I have Scarlet, Rose, and Cherry, but I can't think of another one. I was trying to think of red names, because, you know, they're red. But, you know, we'll see. So these are all of our boys on this side. These guys, you know, we raise bunnies for meat, so they will go to freezer camp. They're about 12 weeks old, so they're going to be going to freezer camp in probably next week, if not sometime this week. This is Prince Harry, but his name may change. We're not set in stone on it, so that's why he doesn't have a nameplate yet. But for now, this is Prince Harry. He's a sweetie. He's just chillaxing there. And this one is Rocket. He is going to be a new daddy. Hi, Rocket. He's very pretty, very handsome. He's very big. And then this little guy is, oops, sorry, right in the blue thing's right in the middle. This is Haas. He is a little over a year. Oop, I'm going to have to check his ears. A little over a year. Hi, you want to come say hi? You want to say hi? He's very social, and I absolutely love him. When I open his cage, he usually likes to come on my arm and climb on my arm. So, well, I think that is everybody and everything. So I know I went through it super fast. I did this earlier and I completely forgot to turn on the microphone, so I had to do it again. But I think I did it a little bit. I wasn't running around from this side of the yard to that side of the yard to this side of the yard this time. So I think I did it. I think I did pretty good. So, alrighty, well, that's the farm. If you like, click the like button, thumbs up, share, comment, and also subscribe. Alright, thank you guys. Talk for now.